Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Nalin, the Bazooka Prophet. I'm happy to be with you again on your screen, uh, and I'm so excited. This is another very interesting video. This aspect is under acid and bases. Acid and bases. Now, there have been a lot of misconception about acid and bases. A lot of students do not understand the examples of a strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak bases. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you most of the examples of this strength of an acid. But before that, we should understand that according to Arrhenius, an acid is a substance that should produce hydrogen ion or hydrozonium ion as the only positive ion, while a base when it is ionized should produce hydroxide ion. Now, based on the strength of an acid, we should understand that we have what we call a strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. Now, what is a strong acid? A strong acid or a strong base, they are acid or base that are able to ionize completely in water. While that of a weak acid or a weak base, they are substances that are able to ionize slightly, partially, or incompletely in water. Now, much about this acid and base will be talked about in our other videos. But for now, examples. Examples from example of strong acid, we have what we call hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Of course, we have what we call triiodochlorate 5 acid, tetraodochlorate 7 acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. These are examples of what now? A strong acid. Example of a weak acid. Please take note of this example. We have hydrocyanic acid. We have diazophosphate 1 acid. We have nitrous acid. We have triazophosphate 3 acid. We have this ought not to be here. It's an oversight actually. H2SO4 is a strong acid. We have phosphoric acid. Now we have hydrosulfuric acid, and we have acetic acid. In fact, all organic acids are weak acids. Now, example of strong bases, if you observe lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, they are all group 1 elements, so they form very strong acid. Exactly. While under group 2, example of group 2 element that can form strong base, we have strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Of course, example of weak bases, we have beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. We have ammonia, we have methylamine, ethylamine, we have aniline. These are examples of weak bases. Weak bases. Now, do well to understand this aspect, because the reality is that there are times in exams whereby you should understand that a strong acid plus a strong base, because the pH is equal to 7. So if they give you a strong acid and a strong base, and you're not able to identify whether it is strong or weak, then you may not be able to get most answers that pertains to acidity and basicity, right? A strong acid plus weak base, the pH is less than 7 because the strong acid take the lead. A weak acid plus a strong base, the pH is greater than 7. The strong base take the lead, and that the pH scale is from 0 to 14. So in our next video, we'll be talking about strictly on how to solve questions relating to pH, pOH without using calculator. For now, thank you and God bless you. Do well to put this into your head. The brain can carry anything. God bless you.